Hello guys, this is me Anand back again with a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to fake the drone shot. I bought this stick to the moment SelfieSkie from Amazon.
Loving how you wind up.
And this long ever sprout pole. This is used for gardening actually. Make sure to check the description of both the poles and these clips. It cost me $16 and I have a GoPro attached at the top of the clip, and this pole can be extended up to 40 feet. So it's difficult to hold when you make it longer. So this pole is up to this height. It's a little bit shaky, so don't extend this pole to its highest length because it's a little bit shaky. I would recommend, like, if you're using the same pole, use the bottom two rather than the upper one, because the upper one is a little bit thinner. I'm going to show you some shots taken with this long gardening pole and the GoPro attached at the top. The only thing that you need to be careful is about the camera angle and the pole movement, how you move the pole and how you want to angle the camera. That's very important, and you have to take few shots, try it, and then you get to know how to angle the camera. Hope you guys like this video for faking the drone shot. It's just a combination of the long pole and then the clip, and normally we can't find this kind of longer selfie stick, so I use the gardening pole and then the SelfieSkie together to create some fake drone shot. And it's very useful sometimes because there are a lot of drone rules you need to follow. You can just go fly the drone on someone else top, or some places are highly restricted for drones, so you can use this technique to have a selfie or to get the drone shot. So it's very useful sometimes. Just a tips, tricks to avoid the drone. If there is any restriction, or if you don't have drones, you can utilize the gardening pole. And make sure to check the description again. I'll have the link for both of the SelfieSkie and the gardening pole with the details. Thank you again so much. Thank you again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.